Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off dark mode on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off dark mode on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on your profile picture icon, and on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on the three lined icon guys, and over here again scroll down until you can find the accessibility. Over here under the category of your app and media, you can see over here just above the for families, and tap on the accessibilities, and over here you can see the captions and the dark mode. Tap on the dark mode, and if you want to turn on the dark mode, simply tap on the turn on dark mode. And if you want to turn off the dark mode guys, you can see the off button available for us. Tap on the turn off, and then the dark mode on Instagram will be turned off guys. And there guys, this is how to turn off dark mode on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.